One trade shouldn't take these many steps. You open a chart, you find a setup. Now you want to place a trade. So you leave the chart, open the order window and place it. Then go to the positions to manage it and then back again to the charts. It's not one big problem. It's small steps repeated on every trade. So what if these steps didn't need a separate screen? On the AtMobile app by Alice Blue, there is a feature called Smart Chart Pro. Now with Smart Chart Pro, the chart becomes your trading screen. You can place and manage orders directly from the chart. If you are trading options, you can explore the option chain without leaving the chart. Now once the trade is active, you can modify it or cancel the order from the same screen. And if you are tracking multiple setups, you can open up to 5 chart tabs and switch them between easily. So instead of moving between different sections of the app, most of your actions stay right where your analysis is. So you can check out Smart Chart Pro on AtMobile app by Alice Blue. Investments in security markets are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.